In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the KuCoin language, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Firstly, I want to let you know about this special offer so you can get free money just by creating a KuCoin account. You just need to create your account with the referral link in the description below, or you can also just paste the referral code at the sign up form, and this way you will enjoy different offers to get free money. As you can see, here are some of the different offers running right now. So there is this welcome bonus blitz where you can get 200 USDT. You also have an airdrop and some cash bonus. You can also scroll down to see more offers. In this case, it says 0 because I already have an account, but if you click the referral link, you will always see some different offers where you can claim free money just by creating your account. It is very easy. Just click this small icon right here, then go to language, and you should find the full list of all the languages available. So for example, let's say I want to have the KuCoin interface in Spanish. I just need to click here and the changes will be applied automatically. So now to change it back, just click here again, then scroll down to the bottom, and right here just change it back to English. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.